Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting the correct aspect ratio for your platform. Once done, import your clips, photos, and any audio so everything is available. Arrange assets into folders to stay organized. This saves time later. Drag your primary footage onto the timeline and scrub to identify edit points. As you work, set a base volume and enable snapping so cuts land precisely. This first setup keeps your timeline tidy and speeds up every following step. Now you refine the story. Make precise cuts with split, trim handles, and ripple delete unwanted space. Once your rough cut flows, add transitions sparingly so scenes connect without distraction. Apply color presets or manual color adjustments to match shots. Reduce intensity to avoid overprocessing. For motion, add text or stickers and use keyframes to animate position or scale. This creates professional polish. Make sure to preview at real-time speed so pacing feels right. Then adjust transition lengths and effects to finish. Confirm resolution, frame rate, and export quality that match your destination. Choose a hardware encoder when possible to speed export. Preview the full timeline once more, then export to your gallery or upload directly to a platform. If you encounter errors, first clear the app cache and restart. If problems persist, lower the bitrate or export in shorter segments and then join them. Make sure to keep a backup project file so you can recover quickly if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.